Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your phone supports the carrier's 5G bands and your plan includes 5G. Next, make sure system software and carrier settings are up to date because outdated firmware often hides bands. Once done, remove and reseat the SIM. This forces the modem to re-register. Make sure airplane mode cycles off and on for 10 seconds. If you have a second 5G-capable phone, test the SIM there to separate device from network issues. Now you move into deeper troubleshooting. Force a manual network selection, and if your device permits, toggle 5G-only mode so the modem attempts NR registration without fallback. Then inspect APN and modem firmware. Mismatched values or stale baseband can prevent 5G. Use the phone's field test or a network app to read NR bands, RSRP, and SINR. These numbers tell you whether 5G cells are visible but weak. If the phone shows bands but won't attach, log errors with time. Finish by applying fixes from most to least invasive. Request carrier provisioning or a SIM swap first, because these often resolve profile or IMS issues. If unresolved, apply official baseband updates or ask vendor support about reflashing. Only proceed with care and backups. Once complete, retest in multiple locations and document band and RSRP readings so you can show the carrier proof. If things go wrong, the single most useful tip is to capture field test logs and timestamps before any resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.